Students, you all know that the body of a bird is covered with feathers. A bird has different kinds of feathers on its body. Look at these 3 feathers. These are the feathers of a parrot. Do they look similar?
No, they don't. All these feathers are different from each other. These feathers have different functions too.
According to the function of the feathers, we can divide them into 3 different types. They are down feathers, flight feathers, and body feathers. Now let us discuss about the down feathers. Have you seen a newly born chick? A newly born chick has soft, fluffy feathers on its body. These feathers are called down feathers.
The body of a chick is covered only with the down feathers.
But when the chick grows up, other hard feathers grow and cover its down feathers. All the birds have down feathers on their bodies.
The down feathers help to keep the body warm.
Students, you all know that a bird can fly with the help of its wings. Its tail helps it to change the direction while it is flying. Now, look at the wings of this hawk. They have feathers on them. Again, look at its tail. There are feathers on its tail too.
The feathers on the wings and the tail of a bird help it to fly in the sky.
The feathers that help the bird to fly are known as flight feathers. So, the feathers on the wings and the tail of a bird are flight feathers.
The flight feathers cover the wings and the tail of most of the birds. The flight feathers are longer than the down feathers.
Students, now look at this bird. Its body is covered with feathers. The feathers that cover the body of a bird are known as body feathers.
The body feathers are bigger than the down feathers.
One more time, have a look at this sparrow and this vulture. Tell me, are they similar in shape?
No, they aren't.
A sparrow has a different shape to that of a vulture. Now, can you tell me why these birds are different in shape?
Because of their body feathers.
Their body feathers give them a proper shape. So, they are different in shape from one another.
All the birds have body feathers.